Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are feeling good, staying safe indoors, and keeping everybody safe as well. Now, I know although even all of us are staying home, there are many of us who are still having meetings online, either with clients, colleagues, friends, or family members. So, you want to look the part and don't look like you didn't get out of bed properly or you didn't even wash your hair. So, in today's tutorial, I just want to show you my easy daily makeup look, which is what you see right here. And I'm using products that I recently bought at the drugstore, so it's not an expensive look. And if you really want to try something new, something different, something fresh, I think this tutorial might be for you. So stay tuned and find out more. So thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you made it to the end, then you must like this video. So either give it a like or subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Twitter or Instagram or even Facebook. I hope that you will continue to stay sane indoors, and if you need some more inspiration on what you can do while staying home, do check out my blog post entry on the things you can do while staying home. I will leave the link in the description below. I'll see you in my next video. Take care.